We work with fishers and farmers and all those who produce our seafood to make sure that the food that comes to the table is as sustainable and as responsibly caught as possible. We also work with the local communities around Australia who want to improve marine habitat. Oceanwatch is a national environmental not-for-profit and non-government organisation. We cross that boundary between community and industry and also government, and we're often that trusted partner. So in New South Wales, we've been working with the oyster industry on environmental best practice.
The Oceanwatch Responsible Oyster Farmer Training Program has been designed specifically for the oyster industry because there was really a gap in that training beyond your standard aquaculture training.
There was an entry level that was needed for farmers, and to Oceanwatch's credit and the people with Oceanwatch, they took that on, and we're now conducting training.
There's definitely a lot of interest and demand from industry to do this. There's weekend hobby farmers to 7th generation oyster farmers out there, so we wanted to create something that brings all that together and has everyone kind of on the same level.
The environment's the most important component of what we do, so this training gives us a all on the same page process.
Oceanwatch is very adaptable. We're a small organisation and we're able to really be flexible in the work that we do. A good example is the bushfires of recent years. Until we actually were on the ground, nobody realised the incredible impact on the marine environment.
In parts of the river, the mangroves were destroyed. I've never seen it. The elders had never seen this sort of heat damage. We needed to restore these mangroves. Mangroves are important to catch debris, but more importantly, they're part of the whole ecology of the river. The mangroves wouldn't be there unless they were important for this environment.
Because of our strong relationships with the oyster farmers, we're able to actually plant and regenerate areas of mangroves that have been burnt.
We're going through the mangrove restoration program. That's a really important initiative, and it's working well. It is working, so that's a great outcome.
A healthy marine environment is really important to everyone. For the seafood industry, it underpins their operations.
On the New South Wales south coast, urchin populations have grown to quite large numbers, causing urchin barrens. When these barrens form, you lose areas of kelp habitat that are important for other species, for instance, abalone.
We can tackle the problem of overgrazing on these reefs by controlling the spatial density of those sea urchins. Commercial divers are key to this solution. They're able to do best practice, and Oceanwatch has developed a whole certification program for making sure those divers are doing it correctly.
There's a great potential there to actually not just see a lucrative, viable urchin fishery, but see the abalone industry continue into the future.
The marine environment is a shared resource, so we all have responsibility to protect it.
To have Oceanwatch involved with the industry, it makes our life so much better.
Oceanwatch work on the ground with farmers. They get involved.
It's those trusting relationships that allows us to work on projects that delve a little bit more deeply into practice change.